There are a lot of motivations for why Saudi is trying to create our oil prices. Clearly damaging non-OPEC supply growth. There may be some geopolitical motives, but it's also a competition with LNG. So take China, for example. Chinese oil imports are up 30% in the last 5 years. Not bad. Chinese LNG imports are up threefold in the last 5 years. That's a big deal. And LNG eats into Saudi's market share because countries like China that import liquefied natural gas are using it in many cases as a substitute for crude. Saudi does not make LNG. Qatar does, but Saudi does not, and most other OPEC members do not. So all Saudi cares about is protecting the addressable market, especially in Asia, for its barrels, and LNG eats into that because LNG economics have traditionally been tied to the price of crude at a ratio of about 6 or 7 to 1. It follows that when oil prices fall 40%, the price of LNG in Asia also falls by 40%. So another tax cut of sorts for the Chinese economy and the Japanese economy. Obviously not a good thing if you're an LNG exporter like Qatar or like Australia.
So, Pavel, the pendulum has swung. Are we past the center point on oil? I mean, have we overshot now on how low it is, or we're still not at the lows?
Well, our view is that we are in the bottoming process. I mean, frankly, the day after the OPEC meeting, day after Thanksgiving, felt a lot like capitulation. Obviously, we've seen prices deteriorate further since then.
So you were wrong about it. So you already thought we bottomed, then we didn't.
That's true.
All right, I don't know about, I can't remember what you said, Schork. I'll give you another, you get a free pass. Are we getting close to the bottom now?
Well, you absolutely can't try and pick a bottom, Joe. And the last time I was on with you guys, we were in that low $70 range, and I said that 75-70, I thought that range would hold. It did not. As soon as it broke, I had to position myself for lower prices, and I'm still positioned for lower prices. This is the old axiom on Wall Street that you simply can't catch a fallen dagger. So how low can we go? Well, I do think we are beyond the point of economics, of where the economical price for pulling oil out of the ground is. Be that as it may, we're completely disconnected from that because, as we've seen with the ruble and as we've seen with the demand issues elsewhere, there's no telling. So, I mean, the next target right now in WTI would be right around $52 a barrel, and then the next target below that is $42.
42.
Can it get there? Absolutely. I mean, I'm positioned for it. So at the end of the day, Joe, no one can tell you where this market's going. It could already have bottomed, or we could still be heading lower, another $15. And that's the scary thing about this. This is 2009 all over again.